there, mateys. earthmanbrick here, back for another MDF kit. This time, it's from Foreground's Gothic City range, their Large Billboard set. Comes in a nice little plastic bag, along with detailed instructions and a double-sided A4 sheet of poster options you can apply to the build. At just shy of 15 quid though, it's pretty expensive, whereas TT Combat have their own billboard set that comes with 2 in the pack, not just 1, for less than half the price. Now the build is easy enough to assemble, except from when it comes to the lights. They're downright fiddly as fluff to assemble, and popping out the acrylic plastic from the sprue frame takes quite a bit of force. Whilst it's not as sturdy as the TT Combat sets, we'll be fixing that later on by reinforcing it with a mixture of shredded toilet paper, green paint, and PVA glue to make a paper mache that will add detail whilst adding strength to the various loose seams. Now I could have added textured paint too to get the same kind of effect and add on some rust and grime, but I wanted to get through the build pretty quickly. Speaking of which, assembly only took half an hour to build and just under 3 hours total to add all the extra details. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little time lapse. Back to myself and my special guest, Poppy, for a closer look at the piece. Hello there, 'tis I, earthmanbrick, and little Poppy. She's just sat in her bag. Seems to be the one place she likes to chill. But yes, enough about her. More about what we've just built, which is the Foreground billboard. And it's pretty damn cool. I dig it. But that's not all we got with this kit. Lots of empty sprue frames. Look at that. They've not made very good use of the space there. They could have easily thrown out a few extra little things. Lots of sprue frames, so we'll no doubt end up doing stuff with these. And this is pretty cool. You can see it's all kind of silver. And the silver and where the laser burns are looks really cool. So yes, might be able to use that for some sort of sci-fi build or some such. Very nice. Let's have the fun, honestly. Oh, and hey Poppy. Oh, what a good girl. Bye. Welcome back. Well, here's a spinning display stand, as promised. I've got the TT Combat billboards, so I may use the extra posters from this set on those ones. I also have a few other ideas I'd like to experiment with. Ultimately, I think both sets, Foreground and the TT Combat ones, are great, and I'd happily recommend them. In fact, if you really like MDF terrain, then check out PropFox's website. Oh dear, that's Poppy. She's off on one. What's the matter? Jingsy, you're awfully loud. Oh, well, just persevere, shall I? Anyway, so yes, if you really like MDF terrain, then check out PropFox's website. There's a discount code below to get a whopping 15% off that's valid until the 1st of April. I'll be doing a quick review of some of the samples from PropFox's site soon, so keep an eye out for that one. See you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Good riddance and bye.